In this video, we will learn how to download Google Sheet as a CSV. So let's start. Go to the File tab and click on the Download option. And here you can see comma separated values means CSV. Just click on it and here the CSV is downloaded. Just double click on this folder icon. Here the file is open in Downloads folder. Here you can see the types of file is Microsoft Excel, comma separated value means CSV. Just double click on it and this Excel sheet is a CSV. So here you can see the in Excel sheet data open. So this CSV data you can use for upload anywhere easily. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.